You're interested by crypto. You know that the son-in-law of your neighbor, very retarded, became a millionaire in 15 days thanks to crypto, between 2 sessions of skateboarding and 2 McDonalds. You also know that it's risky to keep all your credit in the bank. Inflation, risk of crash, possibility of a zombie apocalypse due to a nuclear conflict generated by artificial intelligence, driven mad by pollution and global warming. To be serious. 1,000 reasons could lead you to the fact that your money would worth nothing tomorrow. And then you may also be tired of working like a slave. Think about your retirement, and you can't imagine the courage to end up as a tramp singing Celine Dion to earn your can of beer. However, a problem arises: crypto. You don't understand anything about this shit. Tutorials on YouTube done by overexcited young virgin nerds are unbearable to you, and you bloody don't understand their gibberish. You know that the money is there, but you don't know how to access it. This is not a financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Hi, I'm Crypto Tiger, and I'm a tiger. Today I offer you a simple, direct formula without frills and hype bullshit that will make you understand once and for all how to invest in cryptos, how to avoid traps and scams that decapitate beginners, how to multiply your starting bet at an exponential rate, how to go straight to the point without wasting endless time in technical training. A simple and effective program which can be understood by everyone, including your grandmother, who can turn a computer back on. Even better, if after this training you still feel hesitant about the investments you could make, you have the opportunity to follow the investments of your trainer 24 hours, who is a pro trader, and earn what he earns without having to think for a single second. There's only one thing to do now. Click on the link and immediately feel the sense of relief that you will survive whatever happens.